Hello mga Katibo fam! So for today's vlog, we will be sharing with you our experience at Twin Lakes Hotel located at Tagaytay. And at the end of the video, we will be giving you our review of their room, amenities, and food. So watch till the end guys! This hotel is located at Tagaytay, Nasugbu Road, just 3 hours away from Metro Manila. This is a European theme hotel guys, so makikita nyo naman ang itsura ng hotel para siyang castle, kaya sure na mag-i-enjoy yung mga bulinggit nyo. The hotel is managed and operated by Mega World Corporation. It has 126 rooms na pwede nyo pagpilian. Maaga kami dumating sa hotel guys, around 12 noon to, kaya nag-check-in muna ako, pero yun, sabi nila hindi pa raw ready yung room, kaya yan, explore muna natin yung place. Ang maganda sa lobby nila guys, high ceiling siya at ang ganda ng design, and fully air conditioned pa, kaya sigurado kahit maganda kayo na matagal, okay lang kasi masulit nyo ang pagkakwentuhan with family and friends. Located at the lobby guys yung Sabana bar nila. So while waiting, pwede kayo mag-order dito ng mga liquor or kahit coffee. Meron din silang mga pastries sa side. Meron din silang binibenta dito mga Filipiniana and barong, kaya mga turista dyan guys, matutuwa kayo dito. Maya-maya lang, nagutom na yung pamilya ko, kaya yan, nagyaya na sila, kumain daw kami sa cafe. Magpipizza sana kami guys, kaso sirado yung oven nila, kaya sabi ng wife ko mag-order na lang daw kami sa Grab. Ito pala yung itsura ng ballroom nila guys, so kung meron kayong event, pwede nyo i-celebrate dito. It can accommodate up to 500 guests. While waiting for our room, yan, binisit na rin natin yung gym para naman makita ng mga mahihilig dyan mag-exercise. Pero alam niyo naman tayo, video lang ginagawa natin dito. Next up natin yung game room. Dito mag-e-enjoy yung mga chikiting nyo, even yung mga teenager nyo guys. Okay, mag-banding dito guys yung family and friends. Makikita nyo naman, meron silang billiard table, meron silang chess, and meron din sila yung football na game. And if you want, you can also watch TV here guys. Pagbalik namin sa lobby, dumating na yung order namin from KFC, kaya yan, napasayaw si Daphne. Mga 2 o'clock guys, inalaw na kami pumunta sa room namin. Ready na raw kasi yung room and even yung surprise for my wife. Kaya pala kami nagpunta dito guys is to celebrate our 18th boyfriend and girlfriend anniversary. Anniversary!
Wow! Happy anniversary!
Tip pala guys, pag may celebrate kayo, let them know para bigyan din kayo ng free cake.
Hi guys! So today we are at Twin Lakes Tagaytay Hotel. So today I'm going to do the room tour. So guys, this is also the bathroom. The beautiful sink, kinda tiny, but that's fine. The beautiful bathtub. Feel relaxed. You're ready. I can sleep here. No, that's not the bed. The shower where you can pee in. That's two pieces. The shower drain. The beautiful toilet where you can call while pooping. Okay guys, that's the end of the bathroom tour. Now from the room tour. So guys, there's also a closet. There's also this thing, a safe. I wish we had this at our house. Break time. So guys, this is a coffee table with whatever this is, and also there's a wrap. Can you excuse please? There. Guys, they surprised us with a cake and this one. We just bought the food, by the way. Thank you, by the way, Twin Lakes. They also surprised us with balloons. And this is the bed, so beautiful. And the other bed. So guys, there is a balcony also. With a beautiful view, you can feel the breeze. I think I can fall asleep here, guys. So guys, that's the end of our room tour. Bye!
Guys, yung size pala ng room is 34 SQM, kaya talagang ma-enjoy ng mga kids yung paglalaro at pagtatakbo dito. Isa pa sa nagustuhan ko guys is meron silang bathtub. What I like most about this room is yung kanilang balcony. Sobrang ganda ng view guys. Kita mo yung kanilang vineyard and yung pool. Plus pa yung cold and fresh air dito sa Tagaytay. Maya-maya lang, yan. Nagaya na yung mga kids ko. Punta na raw kami sa pool. Alam nyo naman, pag may mga kasama kayong bata, sigurado ito ang unang-una nyong gagawin. Guys, Twin Lakes na ata yung isa sa mga pinakamagandang pool na napuntahan ko dito sa Tagaytay. Ang maganda sa pool nila guys, heated siya, plus meron siyang area for kids and also for adults. Tapos ang okay dito, sobrang ganda ng view guys. Kitang kita dito yung vineyard and yung mga mountain dito sa Tagaytay. Tip pala guys, pag magsiswim kayo, kung gusto nyo kayo lang ng family yung nagsiswim, mag-start kayo ng mga 2 to 3. Yan, for sure walang tao. Makikita nyo naman dito weekend to guys ha, pero kami lang yung nagsiswim.
It's your turn. Okay.
Yeah. After mag-swimming, ayan, bathtub naman yung mga kids. At night time, naisipan namin explore yung hotel at puntahan yung kanilang mini mall sa taas. May schedule sila ng mga transfers papunta sa hotel at paakyat dun sa taas. Nag-grocery lang kami dito guys para ready kami mamaya sa mga kakainin namin sa room. For dinner guys, yan, dito kami kumain sa Hapchan. Pabalik ng hotel yan, naglakad na lang kami kasi 30 minutes pa daw yung next ride. Guys, sobrang kakatuwa lang na makitang happy yung family mo. Ito talaga yung mga moment na iti-treasure ko forever. At night time, maganda pa rin yung view dito sa balcony guys. Kitang-kita mo yung condo just beside the hotel. Bago matulog yan, nag-video-video lang muna kami. Kinaumagahan yan, kape muna ako while enjoying the view. Habang tulog pa yung family ko yan, pinuntahan ko muna yung vineyard para mapakita ko rin sa inyo. Guys, kaka-relax yung view dito, pero nung nagpunta kasi ako, kakatanim ng halaman kaya wala pa ako nakitang grapes. Pagbalik ko ng room yan, gising na pala yung aking mga chikiting. Maya-maya lang yan, diretso na kami sa aming buffet breakfast. So guys, our verdict. I'm going to rate this hotel a 5 out of 5 rating. First is yung room. Spacious yung room nila guys and you will love the view. Sobrang ganda at tumambay sa kanilang balcony guys. Since nasa Tagaytay tayo, alam naman natin malamig yung hangin, tapos ang ganda pa ng view, so ano pang hahanapin mo. Plus, meron pa silang bathtub and heated water. Next guys is yung food. Since malapit lang siya sa mall guys, marami kayong pwedeng pagpili ang restaurant doon. Plus, meron din silang cafe inside the hotel. Though hindi namin siya na-try, pero mukhang masarap naman yung menu nila. Meron dun mga pasta and pizza. For breakfast naman guys, sigurado may enjoy nyo to. Marami kayong pagpipili ang food sa breakfast buffet nila. Next natin guys is yung amenities. Ito yung reason guys bakit ko highly recommended tong lugar na to. Sobrang lupit ng mga amenities inside this hotel. First is yung gym nila guys. Though hindi ako nakapag-try, pero nakita ko naman na complete yung mga equipment nila doon guys. Next is yung play area guys. Sigurado mag-enjoy yung mga bulinggit nyo dito guys. Nakita nyo naman, tuwan-tuwa yung anak kong si Danny. Meron dong slides, mga bahay-bahayan, tutulutuan at kung ano-ano pang laruan for kids. For your older kids, meron din silang game room guys kung saan pwede silang maglaro at tumambay doon. Ang nagustuhan ko doon guys, ang ganda ng pagkakagawa ng kanilang game room. Talagang nakaka-relax at talagang may enjoy nyo may pagkwentuhan and bonding with family and friends. Lastly is yung pool. Sobrang ganda ng pool nila guys. Heated siya and ang ganda ng view. Sobrang nakaka-relax mag-stay doon. Talagang masusulit at may enjoy yan ng mga kids nyo. So guys, if you're planning to have a staycation at Tagaytay, better check out Twin Lakes. Highly recommended ko to guys. I hope you enjoyed the video guys. See you on our next vlog. Bye!